Hey kids! Are you ready for a fun emoji game? Let's see how many words you can guess. We'll show you some emojis that represent a word, and your job is to guess before time runs out. Think you can get them all right? Before we get started, please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Challenge your friends! Who can get the high score? Can you guess what word this is? Nice start! Sandcastle! Guess the word from these emojis. Sunflower! Let's guess the correct shadow of the flowers. That's right, it's C. What's the hidden word behind these emojis? Drop your answer in the comments. Do you know the answer? Panda! Which emoji is the misfit in this series? The different emoji is placed in the first row. Take a guess. What's that word? Ice cream! Memorize the location of all these emojis. Where is the pink ice cream located? The pink ice cream is located in the number 4 spot. If you chose the blue button, please write down your favorite food. We'll honor you and help you to find people who have the same favorite food as you in an upcoming video. If you chose the pink button, press the like button 3 times and write down your birthday. We'll honor you in our next video. What's the word that these emojis suggest? It's Bluey! What word do these emojis represent? Honeycomb! Can you find a unique emoji that does not repeat? Yes! That emoji is the only one of its kind. What word do you infer from these emojis? Moonrise. Here's the next one. You got this! Let me see your answer in the comments! Can you crack the emoji code? Thanos! Which Thanos do you like more? Like this video if you pick Thanos from Marvel. Subscribe to the channel now if you love Thanos from Squid Game. Which emoji is the one that doesn't fit in? That's right! The odd emoji is in the second row. Come on, this one's too easy. Can you guess the word based on the emojis? It's beer! What word do you see in these emojis? Waterfall! Think fast! What word do these emojis spell out? Hot milk! Can you tell Coco about this word? It's a cheese stick! Can you work this one out? Maple! Does a word come to mind from these emojis? It's a snow pea. What word do they form? Spaceship. Can you decode these emojis into a word? Black Friday. Guess the word from these emojis. Facebook. Which emoji stands out from the group? The unique emoji is placed in the third row. Can you guess the mystery word? Tea leaf. Recall the arrangement of all these emojis. Can you tell where the yellow cup is? Nice job! The yellow cup was in the second spot. What's the missing word in this emoji puzzle? Finger food. Which word matches these emojis? Iron Man. What piece fits perfectly to finish the puzzle? Awesome! You solved the puzzle by finding the missing piece. Think carefully. What word matches these emojis? White House. Can you put your finger on this word? Buttercream. These emojis mean something. What word is it? Spring. What word fits these emojis? Hamster. Can you detect the odd emoji out of these? The odd emoji is in the fourth row. Can you guess the word from these emojis? It's a pillow. Can you find the hidden word? Apple Watch. Take a guess. What word is shown here? A handbag. Can you guess the secret word? Seashell. Only the keen-eyed will see this one. Where are all three differences? Excellent! You found the three differences in no time. Which word do these emojis make you think of? Brown rice. How about this word? Magic trick. What word do you see in these emojis? Cornflakes. Guess the hidden word. Smartphone. Can you tell which emoji does not belong here? The odd one is located in the fifth row. Take a guess. What word is shown here? Flower pot. Can you remember where each emoji is located? Where is the purple flower? The purple flower was at number 6. Take a closer look. What word could these emojis mean? Banana chips. Which word could this be? Milky Way. Which candy do you like the best? What's the correct word for these emojis? Cameraman. Emoji puzzle time. What's the answer? Lighthouse. Let's see if you can guess this emoji word. Movie night. Tell Coco your answer. Singer. Name a female singer. Shout out your answer now. SZA. Can you find the hidden word in these emojis? Cat paw. What about this one? Swan. Do you recognize the word behind these emojis? It's sun cream. What word fits this emoji combination? Appear. Thank you for participating in the puzzle challenge on the Monkey Quiz channel with our little monkey, Coco. You can click on the video currently displayed on the right or the left side of the screen. Join additional new challenges and become the winner. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more quizzes and fun.